Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Alibaba unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get some of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody's staying safe, staying warm, because it is cold out here by us. We got like several inches of snow coming. Not a good night, but hopefully everyone's alright. Alright guys, here we go. We got some Tupperware. A little set they got going on. So you got this kind. Nice style. Can hold some stuff. Some fruits, some veggies. Some salsa, chili. And we got some of these. It's like another smaller size for soup. Potatoes. And then we got some of these. So all you gotta do, guys, is click the link down below. Check them out. Some salsa, some dip. And now to the final Tupperware pieces. Look at this. Baby food, whatnot. I'm not sure. Garlic, maybe. Tiny. And then the final one. But they got really good deals on Tupperware, so if you guys need some Tupperware at a low cost and good quantity amount, check these guys out. Link will be down below. And get a little set right there of 2, 4, 5, set of 5. Johnny 5 is alive. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. You guys be safe, have a good night, and stay warm if you're in the East Coast. And take it easy. See ya.